Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Technology and Gadgets. Today, we have an exciting lineup of the coolest and most innovative tech gadgets that are making waves right now. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Let's jump right in. First up, we have the latest smart home assistant, the Amazon Echo Show 10. This isn't just any smart assistant. It features advanced AI capabilities that make managing your home a breeze. The Echo Show 10 can control your lights, thermostat, and even your security system with simple voice commands. It learns your preferences over time, making your home truly personalized. Let's take a closer look at how the Echo Show 10 works. With just a simple voice command, I can adjust the lighting to my preference. Hey Alexa, dim the lights to 50%. It's that easy. Next, we have a groundbreaking wearable health tracker, the Fitbit Charge 5. This device does more than just count your steps. It provides real-time health monitoring and personalized fitness coaching, with features like continuous heart rate monitoring, sleep analysis, and even stress level detection. The Fitbit Charge 5 is like having a personal health assistant on your wrist. Here's how the Fitbit Charge 5 works during a workout. It tracks my heart rate, calories burned, and even gives me tips on how to improve my form. Plus, it syncs seamlessly with my smartphone to provide detailed reports. For those who love cooking, the Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus is a must-have. This innovative kitchen appliance takes smart cooking to the next level. The Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus can connect to your smartphone, allowing you to control cooking settings remotely, access a database of recipes, and even get step-by-step cooking instructions. Watch as I prepare a delicious meal using the Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus. It guides me through each step, ensuring perfect results every time. Hey Instant Pot, start pressure cooking, simple and convenient. Next up, we have the Anka Nebula Capsule, a portable projector that transforms any space into a home theater. Whether you're watching movies, giving presentations, or gaming, the Anka Nebula Capsule offers stunning picture quality and easy setup. Its compact design makes it perfect for on-the-go entertainment. Let's set up the Anka Nebula Capsule and see it in action. With its intuitive interface and powerful projection, it's perfect for any occasion. Hey Nebula, play the latest episode of my favorite show. Finally, for all the gamers out there, the PlayStation 5 is a next-gen gaming console that offers an unparalleled gaming experience with ultra-fast load times, stunning graphics, and an extensive library of games. The PlayStation 5 is a must-have for any gaming enthusiast. Check out the PlayStation 5 in action. The graphics are incredibly realistic, and the gameplay is smoother than ever. It's a game-changer in the world of gaming. These innovative tech gadgets are just a glimpse of what's possible with today's technology. From smart home assistants to next-gen gaming consoles, there's something for everyone. Which gadget was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching Technology and Gadgets.